Good day. Today I shall introduce you our new Gutenberg block named Box Slogan Gutenberg Block. In order to use the plugin, I have to install the plugin first. Let's tap on the Add New Plugin button. I have already make a package of the file. Let's upload it. Click the browse, select the file and press install now. The plugin is being installed and it's complete, and activate the plugin. With the help of this block, you can showcase the services you provide before your visitors. Now I shall demonstrate the uses of this plugin in a post. You can insert the box slogan Gutenberg block in two different ways, using the add block button and the insert. Click on the insert and under the box slogan block category you will find the box slogan block. Just click on it and it will instantly ready to use in the Gutenberg block. Initially, the block has 3 child blocks. Each child block contains 2 different sections. One the image and the other part is for title and description. Each child block images are arranged in alternating way. That means the first left child block has image on the top, and the next child block's image is placed in the bottom, and so on. If I insert a new child block, the image will be placed in the bottom because its left child block image was on the top. I can remove any child block at any time by clicking the context menu and clicking the delete button. Now let's deep dive into detailed uses of the block. I will demonstrate step by step each and every feature of this Gutenberg block and show you how it looks on the Gutenberg editor and in the front end. Let's add some image. The first child block and title, and a description. Similarly, on the second block, let's choose an image and write its title and its description. Same for the third block. Let's put an image, write some title and description. Let's save it and let's see how it looks like in the front end. Here it is. As you can see, the block looks same in the Gutenberg editor and in the front end. Let's go back to the editor. These blocks comes with many features. The features are divided into 2 parts, general and style. The first option to customize is number of columns. These columns you can set for desktop, medium device and a small device. If to demonstrate it, I first insert a new child block, select an image for it and write some title for it and the description. Now if I increase the column 4, you can see that the newly inserted child block will come on the right side. and update the post to see what happens on the front end. Refresh the front end and you can see the block is exactly the same as it looks like in the Gutenberg block. Let's go back to the editor, and for time being I'm going to delete it and make the number of columns to 3. Now save the post again. Now let's see what happens when I increase the gap. If I type 10, you can see the gap is 10 pixel now. If I increment by 1, the gap is increasing. Let's fix it at 20 pixel and save the post and refresh the front end to see if it resembles the Gutenberg Editor, and we can see that there is a 20 pixel gap here. The border radius does what the name implies. It puts border radius around each child block. If I put 10 as border radius, you can see each block has border radius around it. If I save the post and see what happens in the front end, you can see the border radius is applied to each blocks. Well, I have covered all the 3 features in General tab. Now let's switch to Style tab and play with the options in it. First of all, I have categorized the features into the distinct sections. One is content and other is photo. In content, the first option is alignment. There are 3 alignment options: left, center and right. Now it's right aligned. Let's save the post and see if it works. You see the alignment is now on the right. If I click left and save the post, refresh the front end, and you see the title and description are now on the left. Title tag and description tags works for both for title and description. By default, the title tag uses H2 and description tag uses P. If I click on the H3, the title tag will instantly wraps with H3. Description tag usually uses P tag. If you wish, you can use H4, H5 or any tag you wish. Normally it is using the P tag. Save the post and refresh the front end. You see that the H title tag is now using H3 tag. Each child block is given fixed height of 250 pixel. You can play with it. If I give it 200 pixel, you see the height of the child box is readjusted. If I save and refresh the website, you can see the height is adjusted accordingly. Next, the content padding is by default fixed to 10. For your need, you can decrease or increase the amount and adjust your content with your design. You can also provide title color. To set a color, you just click the circle and pick a color according to your design. Let us give it a orange like color, and for description color I may set it to something like cyan. Well, this suits very much well. Now save the post and see what happens in the website. Refresh it. You can see the color is set to the color I have just set in the Gutenberg block. In the photo section, there are two options to customize the image. One is object fit and other is aspect ratio. You can play with these options to see what happens to the image. By default, it is set to cover. I think this is the best options that fills the containing div in the proper proportion that looks best for the image. You can set fill, contain and scale down, but I think cover is the most suited option. If I save the post and inspect the website, you can see for fill it distorts the image a bit, but cover is best suited for the image. So far I have tried to demonstrate the features of box Slogan Gutenberg block step by step. I hope you will find our box Slogan Gutenberg block useful for your website. If you need to add any feature, please let us know in the comment below. If you like this plugin, please drop a review in WordPress plugin directory. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment. Thank you.